Hi everyone, this is round 5 for the increase of the peplum. This is where I ended at the round 4 over here. So to bring the increase into the next in the middle of the row, gonna slip stitch to the next chain 1 and put a single crochet into the same chain 3. So it's in the middle of this V stitch over here. Gonna mark this as the beginning of the row. Okay, over here we're gonna change 2 and we work a cluster over this chain and the next chain. So similar with the round 4, we make half of this one, skip the double crochet in the middle, make another half into the next chain 3. So this is one cluster. We chain 4 and put a single crochet into the next single crochet, which is this one, over here, and then we make another 4 change, and over here we're gonna make another cluster. So this cluster is also across this chain and this chain, and skipping the middle double crochet. So this will be a new chain on top of this row of stitches here. So as you can see, it will be the cluster on top of the round 1 cluster. Then you make 4 change and put one single crochet on top of this single crochet over here, and you reach this cluster over here. We're gonna make 2 cluster. So chain 4, make half the cluster and cross over to this V in the middle. So this is one cluster, chain 2, put a single crochet in the middle, because this is in the middle of these 2 cluster. We make chain 4. No, this one will be chain 2. So after the single crochet at the middle, we chain 2 and make 2. Make half of cluster here and another half over here. Yep, so you can see that we have another 2 cluster on top of the 2 cluster of the round 3. Chain 4, single crochet, chain 4. Over here we're gonna make a cluster on top of this round 1 cluster. This will be cross over here. Yeah, it will be like this. Like this. And we make another 2 cluster. So by doing this, we'll be increase a lot to make the skirt more flare and to fold nicely. Chain 2, make 1 single crochet in the middle, chain 2, make another cluster. So meaning to say, on top, as you can see here, on top of the 2 cluster, we're gonna make another 2 cluster. So we increase, it's gonna spread out. And over here, we also add another cluster to here and here. So by increasing like this, we actually spread out the skirt. Okay, so over here I'm gonna make another cluster over here. So we chain 4 single crochet, chain 4, make a cluster over these 2 chain. Yep, and then continue another time. Yep. Another cluster over here. Chain 2, make a single crochet in the middle. Chain 2, make a half cluster, another half over here. Chain 4, make a single crochet, and you keep doing like that until reaching the end of the row. I'm reaching the end of the row over here, so I'm gonna make another 4 chain, single crochet over here, another 4 chain, make a cluster, cross over these 2 chain 3. Yep, and another chain 4, single crochet into this single crochet, chain 4, and this is where I start. So this will be similar to these 2 cluster over here. So I'm missing 1 cluster, meaning I make 1 cluster over the crossover here, this and this, chain 2, and slip stitch to this. So this is the round 5.